1.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hit you.
Don't worry about it. It's just a little scratch.
Here, let me give you my insurance information.
That's okay. It's a really old car. It has dozens of dents and scratches already.
2.
So what'd you do this weekend, Carrie?
Well, I went out to dinner at Sabrina's with my family on Saturday night.
Wow, Sabrina's? It's such a nice restaurant. What was the occasion?
It was my birthday.
Oh no! Did I forget again this year? I feel terrible. It won't happen again.
That's all right. I always forget people's birthdays.
3.
Hi, Gina. I don't want to bother you. I just came by to see if you're finished with that CD I loaned you.
Oh, sure. Come on in and I'll get it. Let's see. I had it in my book bag. Uh-oh.
Is something wrong?
I can't find it. I must have lost it this morning. I'm sorry.
Oh, well, that's all right.
I'll go buy you a new copy right now.
4. Hi, Sarah. What's wrong? Are you upset?
It's 6:30. You were supposed to be here half an hour ago.
I'm sorry. There was so much traffic on the freeway. It won't happen again.
Well, I'll let it go this time. But you should really leave your house earlier when you have to drive somewhere during rush hour.
5.
Oh, are you okay, Sam?
I'm not sure. My ankle hurts a little.
I really apologize. I was walking too fast, and I wasn't watching where I was going. I didn't mean to trip you.
I know you didn't, but I think my ankle might be sprained.
Oh no. Here, let me help you up. We should go to the hospital.
6.
Where were you last night?
I was home studying. Why?
You were supposed to meet me at the movies last night.
Oh no, I forgot. I'm sorry.
I tried to call you, but I kept getting your voicemail.
I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, I lost my phone yesterday.